class we'll learn multiplication, product of the numbers by using table. And we done some problems by using table. Today we are going to learn how to make a table. How to make a table. That is chapter 10th one, multiplication of tables. Multiplication of tables. Multiplication table. The first one, table 1. Table 1. Dear students, in our previous class, we have one definition. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. See here 1. 1 means only 1. 1 can write 1 times of 1. 1 ones of 1. Next 2 1. 2 1 means 1 plus 1. Here 1 repeated 2 times. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1. 3 1. 3 1. 3 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1 repeated 3 times. 3 times of 1. 3 3. Next 4 1. 4 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1 repeated 4 times. 4 times of 1. 4 ones are 4. 1. 1 means only 1. Here 1 repeated only 1 time. 1 times of 1. 1 ones are 1. 2 1. 2 ones means 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Here 1 repeated 2 times. 2 times of 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1 repeated 3 times. 3 times of 1. 3 into 1. 3. Next. 4 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 repeated 4 times. 4 times of 1. 4 into 1. 4 is multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. 5 1. 5 1. Here 1 repeated 5 times. 5 times of 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 1. Next 6 1. 6 1. 6 1. Here 1 repeated 6 times. Means 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6. Next 7 times 1 means 7 1. 7 1 1 plus 7. Here 1 repeated 7 times. 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7. Okay, children. Up to I wrote 7 1. 7 times of 1. 7 to 1, 7. See here. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7. Now 8 ones. 8 1. Here 1 repeated 8 times. 8 times of 1. 8 ones are 8. Next 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay, children. Here 1 repeated 9 times. 9 ones are 9. Now 10 ones. 10 1. Here 1 repeated 10 times. 10 ones are 10. Okay, children, in our previous class, I gave one definition. Repeated addition is called multiplication. See, now we have finished table number 1. Our topic name also multiplication table from 1 to 10. Okay, children, this is the table number 1. Now I write clearly table number 1. Table 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. Or 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, finally 10 ones are 10. Okay, children, this is table number 1. Next one, table number 2. Okay, children, now table number 2. Table 2. Yes. Now draw a box. Now write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two tables. See, 2 ones are. And 1 is there. There how many? 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. Next. 2 twos are. Means 2 here. Total boxes are 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 twos are 4. Next, 2 threes are. 2 threes are. 3 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 threes are 6. Next, 2 fours are. 2 fours are. 4 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 fours are 8. Next, 5. 2 fives are. Count number of boxes up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 fives are 10. Next, 2 sixes are. 2 sixes are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 6 are 12. Next 7. 2 sevens are 2 sevens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 12, 13, 14. 2 sevens are 14. Next 2 eights are 2 eights are. Again count number of boxes from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2 eights are 16. Next 2 nines are 2 nines are. Count table from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 nines are 18. Next 2 tens are 2 tens are. Again count from starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 tens are 20. This is the 2 table. Okay, children. First, we draw 2 vertical line, nothing but standing line. After, take 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. This is called table 2. Okay, children. First draw 2 vertical line. After take 10 horizontal line, nothing but sleeping line, and count number of boxes from starting to ending with a number. We get 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 2 repeated 1 time. 2 twos are 4. 2 repeated 2 times. 2 threes are 6. 2 repeated 3 times. 2 repeated 4 times. Okay. The times means 2 twos are 2 times of 2. 2 threes are 3 times of 2. 2 fours are 4 times of 2. Yes. 2 fives are 5 times of 2. 2 fives are 10. Or 1 twos are 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. 7 twos are 14. 8 twos are 16. 9 twos are 18. 10 twos are 20. Okay, children, this is a table 2. Before this table 2, we made table number 1. Now we have finished table number 2. Okay, children. Next, you try table 3. Table 3 means use 3. Vertical line means 3. Standing line and take 10 sleeping line. Count number of boxes in each row from starting to ending a number. Now write this table in your classwork. We have finished table 1 and table 2. Otherwise, you see page number 85 in our math book. After writing this table, we count number of boxes. After counting number of boxes, you write table. First write table along with counting boxes. It is called table, multiplication table from 1 to 10. This is our new chapter. Before the chapter, in 9th chapter, multiplication of numbers, in this time we use tables. Particularly in the chapter, how to make a table by using vertical line and horizontal line, counting box from starting to ending is a number. Okay, children, today we have finished only 2 tables, that is 1 and 2. In our tomorrow's class or next class, we start with table number 3. Okay, children, goodbye to everyone.